it's Vet from Avery Home Decor. I'm back with another video, and I will get to the reason I'm dressed like this at the end of the video. But first I want to say thank you for all of those who had some questions and comments for me while I was gone, and I want to address it now because it's been so long since I said I'd get back to you. So it's all about these chairs I bought. I bought some living room chairs for my living room, actually for my dining room set to bring over to the new house. I've been here for about a year and a half now. I had not really sat in them before I moved here, and when I did, I saw a set that was even better, and I'm glad I bought them because they actually turned out to be more durable chairs than the ones that I had brought over and hadn't sat in until I got here. Alright, so here's the chair. What you see is what you get. It reminds me of the Z Gallery chair. It's pretty much, I guess you can say a knockoff, but I found one that was a little bit more decorated inside the actual chair. One of the other features of the chair that I like would be the handle in the back. So this one has brown legs, as you can see here. Using my muscles today. So yeah, I like the color gray. It's neutral, so it goes with all of my decor and all of that. So let's take you to the other room so you can see the new ones that I bought. So if you see, this one has a little bit more decor to it. I like it. And this one has the real kind of a bold handle on it, so I like it a little bit better. It's a little bulkier, more durable. I think this is going to be a theme for me because I get up and get dressed for events so early. I clean the house, so what a better time than any to go ahead and do a video. So yeah, the next time you see me, I'll be in something else, so can't wait for that. There's a lot of things that there's still out there that I can tell you about through this process. Although we have bought the home, I can tell you every estimate that we've gotten for the home, whether it was to put a fence up, to lay down sod, whether it was to just get a glass enclosure for the master bathroom just to upgrade it, or if it was just to put down the flooring, because the flooring where you see that couch back there was carpet. Everything, every estimate was $10,000. You gotta be kidding me. I'm too handy. If there's a will, there's a way. I can find out how to do it myself, or find out how to get the materials and hire somebody to do it for me. All right, so I'm going to give you a view of what my outfit looks like, and it is for, guess, a 20s, roaring 20s party. So the theme is Harlem Nights. My brother's having a birthday party, and we are basically all dressing up like the roaring 20s. And guys, look, this is gonna be my theme from now on, because for whatever reason, when I dress up for an event, and I've had a lot this year, I always get dressed early. I'm one of those people, I don't like to be late. And let me know in the comments if you are one of those people who dress up early and have a lot of wait around time. And I've been trying to juggle this thing with YouTube. My schedule has been so busy. I'm like, when am I gonna have time to do a video? And I've noticed that I always clean the house up. I always get dressed early. So I have all this time in between the time I'm done and it's time to go. So I figure, why not do a video, right? That's just a no-brainer. So I'm going to start doing videos in between my downtimes. And you're gonna see me as something different next time. I hope you like it. But until then, I'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, have a good one. Hey guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Decor, and I'm finally here giving you an update on my life. so if you've been wondering what I've been up to, hey, I have been doing a lot of relocating. That's right, relocating from a 2-bedroom, 2-bath into a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. So let's go ahead and get into this video and see what's going on in my life. So these are my thoughts about moving. It was bittersweet, but we moved in the winter, and with interest rates going up, we had to make a power move and end our search. We've been looking for over 2 years now. If you joined the channel a couple of years ago, you know we were Avery Home Search, and now we have completed our search, you guys. We are in our new home. The good thing is we have all of the pictures that we used to stage the property. And we also have a little bit of the footage from the empty house tour, which, guys, you won't believe this. We were not able to exit the house on time before the final walkthrough for the new owners. That means we did not get a lot of footage of the empty house tour because we were really running a tight schedule, and I'm going to show you what we did get. All right, so I'm hoping you guys can hear me. I actually am back to the house for the first time since we took it off the market. I'm actually in a mask because we pretty much had a lot of plants, which is not why I'm in a mask. I'm in a mask because we just took it off the market. It sold. And we put all our plants here because for pictures, we needed to make sure we could roll them out the way. So, in case you guys were wondering what the floor looked like, this is what the whole completed floor looks like. And I left the curtains up. So it's gonna get a little dim, so bear with the footage, guys. All of my things are packed up, like my ring light and everything that makes it look bright. All right, so this is basically what the living room looks like now. I've purged a lot of the items out of it. And on the other side, you're gonna see pretty much this wall here. I've got this little area for the base, and the flooring, we put it all the way over here. So if you go over here, you're gonna see the laundry room is there, but I'm gonna take you over to the kitchen. Let me turn on the lights, maybe that'll help. All right, so this is how I staged the kitchen. I had to take everything down off the top of my cabinets, and we're leaving the Hue lighting. So the Philips Hue lighting is staying. We're leaving the appliances, of course. I am taking my coffee bar and I'm taking my mirrors, all of my pictures on the walls. So you guys seen me do a lot of tablescapes over in that area. But yeah, this is just the eat-in kitchen. And it's got an island. Got some chairs. There's my ring light bag. I just don't have my stand. All right, so let's go ahead. This is just the TV, and show you the rest of the space. You go around this corner. All right, sorry guys, that was Avery, my son, trying to figure out where I was. And we spent a couple of days over my mom's house while we had this listed for sale. It sold in less than 48 hours. And they went over our asking price, so we are happy about that. And you guys remember when I did this bathroom. This was fun. But the new house will have plenty to decorate. All right, so I never took you guys in this room. This is the laundry room. I never got a chance to complete an actual nice look for my laundry room. So I plan on doing that with the new laundry room. And it has the new house has a laundry room with an attached mud room. So this is like a little office area. As you can see, I just got a lot of stuff on the desk. And this is just right here, some, I don't know what they are called. I think servers, they're my husband's servers and DVRs. So a little refrigerator over there, printer. All right guys, we're gonna go out of that room, the office. We're gonna head over to this room in which you can see it's staged. I was able to stage my home to sell. Guys, I think that helped. Staging your home does help. I was actually able to set it up to make it look like a model home. And you know it was fun doing this because I've done this room in the past. And everything except this corner I had to get rid of. I had to leave the room kind of empty and let it look staged. So, and I couldn't do anything with the exercise machine. So this is a machine that works your back, your lower and upper back. And I forget what you call it. When we set everything up in the basement of the new house, I'll let you guys see a tour of our exercise room because everything that we have could not fit in this home because this home is small. Really didn't plan on being here but a couple of years, 5 at the most. And you guys remember this bathroom? I took the tall drapes down because they're gonna want to, you know, look in there and make sure the walls are okay. So I didn't want it to look like I was trying to hide anything. But you guys know you can expect some DIY, some decor in the new house. I do want to point out in my earlier videos, I did this little decor revamp of this. It's like a piece of decor over the lights, and I just added some bling to it. And I just kept it up there because we liked it. And then there's a bench down there. I also did some trim to the actual sides of the mirror in an earlier video. I did not leave that up there because I did not want it to deter people from having to try to take it down themselves. That was my particular look. I'll put some clips in here so you can see it. All right, so I had to actually use, this is a closet. All right, so this utility closet or linen closet, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to just show you in case you guys were wondering how I got those pieces off the mirror. It was not easy. I had to use adhesive remover and I needed to make sure it did not touch me. I had to wear gloves and it's citrus based, so I thought that would be good, but it's still something you don't want to touch your skin. You don't want to inhale it. I basically sprayed it in the cracks of the mirror and I was able to get the tile mirror pieces that were attached to the mirror to come off. So I just wanted to show you guys that while I know where it is, because now that we have sold this home, everything is going to get packed away and I will not see this stuff for a while. As you see, I'm just going to put it here. I don't want to put it in the front. It's my son. I don't like putting stuff that has a chemical in the front. Okay, so I'm going to leave it in the back there. But as you can see, I had to take and put up my lamps. I got a few lamps in here. And I've used a lot of wipes and Lysol. All right, so now we're leaving the bathroom, going back into the bedroom. And you can see this little hallway here. And this is basically what you used to see when I would decorate. These are 9-foot ceilings, so it gives you the illusion that this place is really, really big, which it is a really big great room. Like, I'll come over here and give you a view from here. And if you look over on this corner, you'll see the clock. Then you have some windows, big windows. But yeah, look at this corner view. It gives you kind of an overview of the room. So the kitchen is like right off the great room. And I'll do an completely empty house tour while I take you into the house and through all of the rooms. So stay tuned for that. I have not showed you everything, and I just wanted to basically show you the rooms that I staged that you've seen in this home already. And guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to see you on the next one.